Full of Cats by Ruth, Sanderson. Once there was a queen who kept a castle full of cats. She loved the pretty ones and the plain ones, the sweet ones and the brats. The cats were spoiled and pampered. They were the queen's delight. They dined on fish for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every night. The cats had her affection. They knew this to be true. But now they had to find a way to win the king's love, too. They tried their best to please him in, so clever ways. They left him charming little gifts to brighten up his days. They raced him down the hallway, they scampered down the stairs, and beat him to his parlor to warm his favorite chairs. The king loved art and music, so the cats did their part, composing lovely serenades and making works of art. They sorted through his papers and studied every book, determined he would love them no matter what it took. In spite of all their efforts, they weren't his favorite pet. They're only being cats, my dear. No need to get upset. But the king had lost his patience. That's it. I've had enough. He dropped his spoon, he grabbed his cane, he marched off in a huff. Queen peered out the window. Cats perched on every chair. They watched and waited many hours. And then the king was there! Is this the end of all our games? The end to all our fun? Or could it be, quite possibly? Yes, the games have just begun! Oh, what a perfect present! And finally they knew there was no longer any doubt. The king did love them, too. The end. To find A Castle Full of Cats and other books by Ruth Sanderson, visit your local library.